Hello and welcome to a new video from the Burg-Wächter professionals. Today we would like to show you how to set up and conveniently open our safes with just one fingerprint. The procedure is identical for our dual safe, Karat and Diplomat safe series. We will be using the Karat safe as an example and will show how to register a fingerprint and then use it to open the safe. Fingerprint opening is, of course, a certified opening method. Just like opening by numerical code or key, our electronics offer convenient opening with a fingerprint. Thanks to live finger recognition, this method is particularly secure and ensures that only authorized fingers can open the safe. Copies of the fingerprint are recognized by the sensor. In total, the safe electronics can store up to 10 PIN codes and 20 fingerprints for opening. Let's start with the registration of a fingerprint user. To activate the electronics, press the On-Enter key. Press the Func key to access the main menu. Press the 2 key twice. This takes you to the administrator area. Confirm this by pressing the On-Enter key. The user menu item is already active. Confirm with On-Enter. Then press On-Enter again to confirm the active menu item create. Now press the 2 key to go to the opening method fingerprint and confirm with On-Enter. Before you can register the fingerprint, the 6-digit administrator code must be entered. In our case, this is the factory code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only the administrator is allowed to create new users. Now place your finger on the sensor and drag it down until the registration is confirmed. By dragging your finger across the sensor several times, all the individual features of the fingerprint are recorded. Once the electronics have accepted your fingerprint, it is possible to combine it with another opening methods. Then you would use the 4 eyes principle. This means that only 2 people can open the safe together. If you do not want this, simply confirm with On-Enter. The fingerprint is now stored with full opening rights. To test the fingerprint, press the Func key to go back in the menu structure. After pressing 4 times, you have reached the Start menu. Drag the registered finger over the sensor. The finger is recognized and the opening right is authorized. You can now pull the lever forward and turn it to the 9 o'clock position. Use the recessed grip on the side to open the safe door.